Welcome to this course of AI, machine learning, data science, and big data analytics. I'm really excited to guide you through this journey, where we'll explore with preparing AI and machine learning models and working with large datasets for analysis and scientific or advanced cases. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course is designed to help you step by step. In this course, you will learn Introduction to AI, Machine Learning, Data Science, Big Data, and Data-Driven Decisions, Introduction to Python and Variables, Data Types, and Operators, Conditional Statements and Loops, Functions and List, Tuple, and Dictionaries, File Handling, OOP Basics, Virtual Environments, and Package Management, Introduction to NumPy with NumPy arrays and operations, Introduction to Pandas and data frames, Load, Clean, and Transform, Handling missing values, Data merging, grouping, and aggregation, Exploratory data analysis, which is EDA, and data visualization with Matplotlib, Advanced visualization with Seaborn and feature engineering and pre-processing, descriptive statistics and probability basics, distribution, normal, Poisson, or binomial and hypothesis testing, correlation and covariance, and linear algebra for machine learning. By the end of this course, you'll be able to gain an understanding of the fundamental ideas behind AI, machine learning, big data science, and big data analysis and process of making decisions based on data. You'll be able to use variables, data types, and operators to write simple Python codes. You can use loops and conditionals, expressions, to manage the program's flow. You can create reusable functions and use dictionaries, lists, and tuples to manage the data. You can also manage environments and packages, handle files, and use basic OOP. You can utilize NumPy arrays to do quick numerical calculation. You can use data frames to load, clean, and transform your dataset. You can combine groups and aggregate datasets and deal with the missing data. You will also be able to use Matplotlib to explore datasets and illustrate the insights. You can prepare data for machine learning models and produce sophisticated statistical visualization. You will also learn how to use basic probability concept with descriptive statistics, comprehend the probability distributions, and carry out fundamental hypothesis testing. And the end is you can calculate correlation between variables and use fundamental linear algebra for machine learning. This course is structured video lectures with projects, so I encourage you to take notes, complete the project exercises, and practice consistently. I'm excited for you to start this journey. So let's dive in and let's get started with this course.